Isn't that just amazing? Full LED adaptive headlights with LED daytime running lights on this beautiful 2021 21 registration Range Rover Sport HSE Silver Edition, and this one's a D300, which is a 300 horsepower 3-litre diesel. With 2,000 miles on the car, with a live price in this car today is 68,990. It's physical, it's available, and every time we get one, they tend to sell very, very quickly. In the beautiful metallic Eiger grey with that nice dark black interior. The Silver Edition gives you loads of extras to start off with, but then this one has a couple of other extras as well. For me, the car's absolutely brilliant. It's just the super luxurious, stylish, sporty, 4-wheel drive, super comfortable, and they have a great, great road presence. So what do we have? We've got the big HSE front bumpers with a black insert in the bumpers, and then you've got the corner sections and the side of the car and the rear sections in the high gloss black. The mid-section of the bumper is also in high gloss black, and then you have the new style grille with that lovely dark grey insert between the grilles. You've also got the grey badging front and rear, bonnet vents with a black and grey, same again with the side vents as well. The Silver Edition, like this one, gives you the upgraded 21-inch two-tone wheels, which is diamond cut on the high gloss black, but again, it's the design and the pattern behind it. They look great, fills the arches, and it makes this car just look a bit better again. It's already a fabulous car, just made a bit more muscular. You've got front and rear mud flaps, that black section right at the bottom which complements the Eiger grey, sun protection glass, high gloss black window surrounds, and then remember this one's got the full tilt and sliding panoramic roof. If you're looking at other D300s or other Range Rovers, you'd be surprised to see that a lot of them don't have the panoramic roof, certainly not the tilt and sliding one. The full black leather interior with that black dashboard as well. A lot of them, you can configure these and change them around, but I do see a lot where they have the ivory trim over here on the centre dash, and nothing wrong with that. But I just think this looks super crisp. It looks tidy, it looks clean, easy to maintain. You've obviously got the new style dash in here with the ceramic touches, lovely glass finish to it all. Again, just looks, you have to agree, that looks amazing. Everything is touchscreen, the climate control, vehicle settings, you've got heated seats obviously, front and rear, the Meridian sound system, which is the extra speakers. But you can sit in here as a passenger or a driver and really enjoy it, because everything is top quality. The silver around the trims here, the twin dashboard, top and bottom. Centre cup holders, twin cup holders there with a phone holder. You can slide that forward and you have more cubbyhole space down there for an iPad. The piano black finish with 2,000 miles on a 21 registration. The condition is impeccable. It's immaculate. There's not a thing on this car you could fault with. Electric seats and memory seats, both for driver and passenger, and there is 3 settings on there, so you can set it in more than one way. The lovely handle surroundings here is done in a darker shade of grey, not in the Eiger grey. That's in the same grey as the badging front and rear. You've also got comfort access, so as you walk up to the car, it unlocks. As you walk away, you press the door handles, it locks. You've got 12-volt sockets, USBs all over the vehicle. The previous keepers very kindly left in the rubber mats, front and rear, and we've left that on there, in there even, on top of the velour mats. Extra speakers continue around the back. And as you come around the back again, you'll notice the LED style rear lighting system, LED rear indicators, and this one has automatic tailgate. Use it off the key, press the button, or gesture. Works every time. Brilliant. If your hands are full, bags, boxes, kids, whatever it is, you can do that. Shut everything in to this massive boot. It's humongous. Again, this area would normally be scratched and dented. Absolutely not, because the car's done no miles. Spare wheels there. There is a nice little touch-up pen there in case you do scuff or scratch any of the bodywork or stone chips. And the seats do go down 60-40, and the shelf on the back again covers all your expensive valuables. To close it, again, if your hands are full, obviously you can press that, you can press the key on there, or you give it one more thing here, and it'll close for you. It does work. Once you've tried it a few times, it's perfect. I won't mention too much about the condition of the car because it is absolutely immaculate. It's done no miles. But it's just everything about this car is just brilliant. Running cost, power, the 300 brake horsepower, push button start, and then you have this beautiful steering wheel, which is the D300 with that silver trim built into the centre there, surrounded by this little brushed aluminium. Illuminated all the keys here on the ceramic finish as well, and then you've got the heated steering wheel, which is part of the silver edition. Like I said, over here you've got all the media, Bluetooth, navigation, DAB. If you're not going to use a sunroof, press the button, it closes up. And then if you don't want any light to come in, you've got another button next to it. When you press it, an electric blind that covers the full roof, and that gives a nice dark feel to it all. These cars are brilliant because the four-wheel drive, the great on-road, great off-road. This one being the spec that it is, it just feels brilliant, and it still smells like new because it is like new. 68,990. Eiger grey with a black interior, with the upgraded wheels, the panoramic roof, heated steering wheel, physical, it's available. Give me a call, drop me a text or WhatsApp. I'll be more than happy to help you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye now.